Well, imagine that we told you that you can make your own MG Kids YouTube video that will be seen around the world.
So today, we will be showing and explaining to you how to make your own MG Kids video.
And we will feature you on our YouTube channel and website.
So, how do you start?
Well, first, you gotta come up with a topic.
I'm going to choose strawberry bubbles.
Okay, so once you have your recipe, you can start making your script.
Well, how do you do that?
Well, first, you have to choose a place to type your script.
Use Google Slides.
Google Slides is a great way to save your information and make changes to it. It's very useful for schoolwork, too.
So now that you have a topic and a storing place, you can start writing your script.
Well, how do you do that?
You start by creating an introduction that tells the audience who you are and what you're doing.
Like, hi, I'm Kara. That's Anthony. That's Christopher. And today we are going to make jelly balls.
Yeah, something like that, but be creative.
Then you have to tell your audience what they are going to need.
Like an ingredients list?
Yep, exactly.
Once you've done that, then you have to tell them all the steps to make your molecular gastronomy.
Like, first you have to mix sodium alginate and water together?
Yeah, but that can be challenging because you have to make sure you pronounce all the words correctly, and some of the words are pretty tough.
Right. You have to act like the audience doesn't know anything about molecular gastronomy.
Take them through every little step of the process, including telling them about the science behind your MG.
After you take them through all the steps, close out by telling them how good your MG was.
Then make up a catchy ending to close out the video.
Well then, what do we have to do?
You have to look over the script and make sure that people can understand it.
Do I really have to look over the whole entire script again?
Yes, you also have to include the science behind what happens and how it happens when you're doing your MG.
That's one of the most important parts, but it's very tedious.
But it's necessary to be featured on our website.
Also, it might inspire you. Being a chef, a scientist, or a chemist might also be what you like to do.
Okay, now you're talking.
Lastly, you have to add the recipe in the description section of your video on YouTube.
So what now?
There is one last step.
What's that?
Post your YouTube video and send us the URL. You can send it to this email address.
If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can email us your MP4 of your video and we'll upload it to ours.
Remember to play with your food!
Remember, only your food. No.